If you're seeing a GoDaddy banner on your website and you want to remove it, this video will walk you through the quickest way to do it inside WordPress. This is a simple fix, and in most cases the banner is coming from your theme settings, header area, footer area, or a promotional widget that was added automatically. By the end of this tutorial, your site should look cleaner and more professional without that extra GoDaddy branding showing up. Before we start, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more website tutorials, WordPress fixes, and step-by-step how-to guides. It really helps the channel grow, and it lets you know when new tutorials are uploaded. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your WordPress admin dashboard. You can usually do this by going to your website.com/wp-admin and logging in with your username and password. Once you're inside wp-admin, you're in the right place to make the change. Now look over to the left-hand menu and click on Appearance. From there, choose Customize. This will open your theme customizer, where you can adjust different parts of your website design without touching code. Inside the customizer, take a careful look through the available sections. Depending on the theme you're using, the GoDaddy banner may be located under Footer, Header, or Theme options. Some themes place promotional elements in a general settings panel, while others hide them inside layout or branding settings. So if you don't see it right away, don't worry. Just check each relevant section one by one. When you find the area that contains the GoDaddy promotional widget or banner, click it and look for the option to remove, hide, or disable it. In some cases, it may simply be a block or widget that you can delete. In other cases, it may be a toggle switch or a checkbox that controls whether the banner appears on the front end of your site. If you're using a widget-based footer or header, make sure you remove the promotional item from the correct location. Sometimes the banner is not part of the page content itself, but instead inserted globally through the theme. That means removing it from the widget area or theme options is the key step. Once the banner or promotional element has been removed, make sure to click Publish. This is the most important step because until you publish your changes, the update won't actually go live on your website. After publishing, refresh your site in a new tab and confirm that the GoDaddy banner is gone. If you still see it after publishing, go back and double check the other areas like header settings, footer settings, and any theme branding options. In some themes, promotional content can appear in more than one place, so it's worth taking an extra minute to confirm everything is cleared out. And that's it. You've now removed the GoDaddy banner from your website using WordPress customizer settings. It's a quick way to clean up your site and make it look more polished and customized to your brand. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more WordPress tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.